Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is for Bahria College's PNET subject Journal Science Class 8 and I am your science teacher Miss Naja Sajid. We had already discussed about the syllabus for first term year 2020-2021. We are at chapter number 13, that is light, and today's topic is nature and behavior of light. Nature of light or the propagation of light can be explained by two theories, wave theory of light and number two, corpuscle theory of light. Behavior of light. Light behaves can be divided into two categories, how light interact with matter and how light travels or propagates through space or through transparent material. The propagation of other kinds of waves including sound waves and water waves. Light is a part of electromagnetic radiation. Radiations which are produced by oscillation of electrically or magnetically charged bodies are called electromagnetic radiations. These are gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared, micro-radio waves, TV and radio waves. They are propagated in the form of waves. The waves consist of oscillating electric and magnetic field perpendicular to propagation of waves. Light waves travel with velocity of 3 exponent 10 centimeter per second or 3 exponent 8 meter per second, which is the velocity of light. The word wavelength is used to express the wave or undulating property of light. It is a distance that light travels in one oscillation and is often expressed using a unit called nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 billionth of a meter. Our eyes can only see light that is of a wavelength between approximately 700 to 400 to 700 nm, that is nanometer. This range is called visible range. With the help of this picture, you can see the visible spectrum, the visible range of light that is around 400 to 700 nanometer. Nature of light or the propagation of light can be explained by two theories, wave theory of light and number two, corpuscle theory of light. On the other hand, light has a property of a particles. The intensity of light varies depending on the number of particles. Bright light has many particles while dark light has fewer particles. These particles of light are called photons. Here you can see the picture or explanation of photon, that is the light particles. Light is a part of electromagnetic radiation. Radiations which are produced by oscillation of electrically or magnetically charged bodies are called We can check out the particle property of light by comparing light with sound using a device called oscilloscope, which I have shown previously. Sound is known to have the characteristics of a wave. When the intensity or magnitude of sound gradually weakens, the signals of sound become smaller and eventually disappears. However, when light gradually weakens, the overall quantity of its signals become less, yet the few remaining pulses, that is extremely short signals, can be detected and the size of these individual signals does not decrease. This tells us that light cannot become any smaller and that the light has a property of a particles. Now turn for your home task. Question 1. What are the four main properties of light? Question 2. Define photon. Question 3. Define wavelength. What is the range of wavelength in visible region? Question 4. What are electromagnetic radiations? Question number 5. What is the velocity of light? Last but not the least, stay home, stay safe. Thank you students for your time. Allah Hafiz.